Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro AF. Today I want to go through a couple things in my toolbox that are little life hack items that will hopefully save you some time and frustration. So the first thing that I have here is painter's tape, or just blue tape, frog's tape, whatever you want to call it. This is the best thing I've found to help me with cable management. I just write down with a Sharpie what the cable is for, or what unit is for, or whatever, and it beats fumbling around in the dark trying to figure out what goes where. Next thing, a micrometer, preferably digital. This is going to save you a lot of time when you're trying to deal with back focus. If you're using a DSLR, you don't really have to deal with back focus a lot, so you might not need this. But for 10 or 15 bucks, this is a pretty nice tool to have in your toolbox, especially a digital one. You don't have to guess. And having a CMOS or CCD camera, this is going to be pretty integral, unless you're going off some kind of diagram that already explains, what rings you need for back focus. Next thing, I'm actually going to skip over to the Hex Key Set. This is a 15-piece Hex Key Set that has saved my life time and time again. This thing, a lot of times you get accessories or different parts that maybe you don't want or need to attach to your assembly, and everything's got a different hex screw on it. So this is great because you can just rifle through which one you actually need instead of have to find whatever specific thing came with that unit that you got that you put somewhere and now you don't know where it is. Next thing, bubble level. I like a straight level like this you can get for like $2 or $3 at Home Depot or the dollar store or whatever. Having the 3 different types of levels on it is great because you for leveling out your tripod for polar alignment, you have 3 different axes that you can level up your tripod with. I know I just shot 350 shots last night without leveling out my tripod, and they're all star trails, so they're all trash. So rookie mistake, but this is pretty integral to have. Super cheap and super useful. Next thing, definitely want to get a warm hat. Nice little warm hat. It might be 80 degrees during the day and you're setting up at dusk and now you're getting a little chilly. It's better to warm up a little bit with a hat than it is to freeze your butt off trying to get your rig set up or focus on what you love. So that's it for all of this. I'm sure there's more in there that I could go over, but for now, this is some pretty helpful stuff. So thanks for watching.